This is a recording that's going to show where to locate your digital copy of your Saxon Math 2 workbook for Mr. Jackson's second grade math class. And what I've done is I've taken the individual workbook files that you see here and merged them into one single workbook. And right now, the most recent copy that you received goes up to lesson 43, and that goes up to page 189. Lesson 43A and B on ends at page 189. Okay, so to find that, you would go to your class tile in Microsoft Teams, click on the tile to open. You have your main menu, and I believe Microsoft calls these tabs for some strange reason. But on this menu, there's Math Resources. You click on that. It opens up your Shared Documents folder and Microsoft SharePoint. The first, second, third, fourth folder down, Math Workbooks and Worksheets. We click on that. And here you have workbook lessons with lessons 1 through 22, and your workbook with lessons 22 to 43. We'll click on the PDF, and as you see, it opens up within Teams. So if you need more options, you can click here. If you do need to work with this word print, there don't appear to be any print options here. You would have to download. What some folks have been doing is opening it up in SharePoint and working with it from within Microsoft OneDrive. But that's how you get that. I'm going to go ahead and close this. As I mentioned, if you have any workbook pages that don't have directions, those pages are generally pages that we would be working on in class. I will strip out those teacher edition pages that have instructions for those, and you'll find those in your teacher pages that are lying folder. So for example, back to lesson 20, there's a teacher text for workbook page 83, and I try to give everything succinct, short, sensible titles that are descriptive. Make this larger. It doesn't even seem to be any option to make this larger. I can't do that. So those, and that's just probably usually 2 or 3 pages there. I'll go ahead and close that. Go back to the main shared documents folder. If there are any images or graphs or charts that you need to reference for your homework in the workbook, those images or charts or graphs will be in the images folder. And this is, again, self-explanatory. I know we did the favorite days of the week and the birthday graphs. Those images are here. And let's say the favorite days of the weekend. They're different image files. Any device should open all these fairly easily. And that comes into focus there. And yes, it's not your imagination. There may be different types of graphs. Nothing like having good student choice. So choose whichever one you like best if you have more than one. So that's that. So play around in here, look around. There are other resources, links to math manipulative websites. And to go back. And I don't have any presentations uploaded right now. I have polygons and shapes. I love geometry. One of my favorite things in math. And the most important thing for us during our distance learning, your critical core digital skill and ability list. Things that we must learn and must practice to be effective with the keyboard or devices. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. We've worked with Control plus and Control minus in the classroom. Kids have, some kids have gotten really okay at how to create bookmarks. So I think about 3 pages here. So feel free to browse this, make a copy of it. If anything should be added, if anything you think should be removed, let me know. This is a working copy, so I'm available to edit it at any point in time. It is available to be edited at any point in time. So that's it. To close this and go back out. So again, your Teams tile, math resources, and math workbooks and worksheets. And there we are. So hopefully this was useful. And again, feedback is always appreciated. Thank you very much.